Well, I've grown my hair out. Now what? There's something. This is what we'll need. Paper towels, wrapping mousse. So this is how you do it. I take a rat tail comb, I make a nice little parting, take your mousse, slather it through the hair, take your stripper paper towel, and you're just gonna roll the hair. Now I'm deciding to have this curl downwards. If you want your hair to curl in different directions, you need to decide that as you pick the direction that you're rolling at. Will determine the way the curl sits when you take it out, and then you're gonna just tie it. I like that. So let me do one more. You want to be consistent with your parts and your sections because you want your curls to be the same. So you get the idea of how it goes into your hair. So I'm going to do the rest of it off camera so that I can see the back.
With the assistance of 2 mirrors, it took over an hour to get a head full of paper towel knots and 2 very sore arms. If you plan on sleeping, I would recommend wrapping your hair up in a scarf. As you can see, some of the curls in the nape area fell out, but I just pinned them up with bobby pins. Oh, don't stop here. Ta-da! Alright guys, this is the final look. So basically what you're going to do is take that curl, split it up into 4 smaller curls while you are wrapping it, twirling it around your finger. And whatever you do not use a brush or you will end up with a fro.